To our tutorial on how to log into Discord using the Android app. First of all, locate the Discord app on your Android device and tap on it to open it. After that, tap on the login button. Now enter the email address associated with your Discord account. Next, enter your password in the password field. Once you have confirmed your credential, tap on the login button, proceed. Discord will now verify your credential and log you into your account. After a moment, you'll be taken into the Discord home screen where you can access your server, friends, and messages. Congratulations! You have successfully logged into your Discord on your Android device. That's wrapped up our tutorial on how to log in to Discord on Android device. Now you are ready to start chatting, joining servers, and connecting with friends. Thanks for watching.